In this video, we're going to show you how to fix shared organization account consuming your Claude quota. When you're using Claude through a shared organization or team account, your usage quota is not always isolated to just your personal activity. In many setups, usage can be pooled across the organization or distributed depending on how the account is configured. This means that other team members, automated workflows, or connected tools may also be consuming the same quota. As a result, you might see your usage limits reached faster than expected, even if your personal activity feels relatively low. This can be confusing and frustrating, especially when you're actively working on important tasks and suddenly hit a limit that doesn't seem to match your own usage patterns. The good news is that there are a few ways to identify what is consuming your quota and reduce unnecessary usage in shared environments. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to manage shared Claude usage more effectively and avoid unexpected quota depletion. So, let's get started. The first method is to check whether your account is part of a shared organization. Review your account settings or organization dashboard and confirm whether you are part of a team plan or shared workspace. If you are in a shared setup, usage may be aggregated across all members instead of being assigned individually. Next, review usage activity if your organization provides a usage dashboard. Look for patterns such as high-volume API calls, automated scripts, or teammates running frequent queries. This helps you identify whether quota consumption is coming from your own activity or from shared usage across the organization. If you identify unexpected usage, communicate with your team to align on how Claude is being used. In many cases, multiple users or tools may be running heavy workflows at the same time without coordination. Establishing usage guidelines or assigning responsibilities can help reduce unnecessary consumption. Another important step is to check for connected tools or integrations. Some organizations connect Claude to automation pipelines, coding assistants, or third-party services that can generate a high number of requests in the background. Disabling or optimizing these integrations can significantly reduce quota usage. If the problem continues, consider discussing plan allocation with your organization administrator. Some Keem plans allow for usage limits to be adjusted or redistributed based on user needs. In most situations, these steps will help you better understand and manage shared usage. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, confirm whether you're using a shared organization or team account. Second, review usage activity to identify whether quota consumption is coming from you or other members or tools. And third, coordinate with your team or admin to manage usage and reduce unnecessary consumption. Remember that shared accounts are designed for collaborative use, which means usage is often pooled or distributed across multiple users and systems. Understanding how your organization allocates usage can help prevent unexpected limits and improve planning for ongoing work. It's also a good practice to set internal guidelines for how Claude is used within a team, especially for automation-heavy workflows. Clear communication and monitoring can significantly reduce confusion around quota usage in shared environments. And that's how to fix shared organization account consuming your Claude quota. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.